guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today I'm showing you how to make one of my favorite keto side dishes, sour cream and cheddar mashed cauliflower. Now let's discuss mashed cauliflower for a second, shall we? I don't like to pretend it tastes like mashed potatoes. It doesn't, and it would be disingenuous for me to say it does. However, mashed cauliflower has its own unique and delicious flavor, and it's time to embrace it for what it is, a healthy alternative and a great keto side dish. This is a super easy recipe that results in really creamy, delicious mashed cauliflower. So you want to start by putting a little water at the bottom of a pot. You need just basically about an inch. And then we're going to take our cauliflower, and I have a head of cauliflower here, about a medium-sized head, broken up into florets. And I'm just going to put them all right into my pot, straight into the water. Then I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic. And then I'm going to put the top on. And I'm going to bring it to a boil and cook it until the cauliflower is fork tender. So you can see here that I have it steaming away nicely, and it's still not quite ready. I need to be able to push my fork into it easily. At this point, I need probably another 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, I think it might be time. Let's give it a check. You can see that the cauliflower has sort of reduced in size, and I can easily stick my fork into it. So it's about ready. We'll turn off our heat and we'll drain our cauliflower. So normally I'd drain this over my sink, but so I can show it to you, I'm doing it over a bowl, and I have a fine mesh sieve here. I'm just draining all of it right into there and get out all the water. Whew, steamy. You get a little facial while you're doing this. So once you've drained your cauliflower very well, you can start to mash it. I recommend doing it in a good blender or in a food processor. And you're just going to transfer it all right in, including the garlic cloves. And then we're going to add the sour cream to help it blend properly. I have 1/3 cup of sour cream here, and I'll just add it right in. And we'll put the top on. And one word of advice whenever you're trying to blend something hot is to cover the top with a tea towel, just in case the top isn't sealed properly. Now to get it really nice and smooth, you're going to want to scrape down the sides pretty frequently as you're trying to blend it up. That helps get any of the pieces that aren't blending into the middle and attacked by the blades. Okay, and once you have your cauliflower nice and smooth, you're going to return it to the cooking pan. And you're going to set it over low heat, and then I have 4 ounces of grated cheddar here. This is just sharp white cheddar. You could use orange cheddar if you want. You could use pepper jack. You could use any cheese in here. And you're going to have it on low heat, and you're going to stir until the cheese is nice and melted. Now, one of the complaints I hear most about mashed cauliflower is that it's not as thick as mashed potatoes. As long as you drain your cauliflower quite well before blending, it should be pretty thick, and you can see that this is actually nice and thick. So if you find that yours is too thin and watery, you have a couple of options. You can add a couple ounces of cream cheese in here and let them melt, and they will help thicken it because they have gums and additives. You can also go straight to the source and add a little glucomannan. This I use to thicken my gravy. I use it to thicken some soups. And about 1/4 teaspoon is enough. You just want the powder, whisk it in, and it'll thicken as it cools. And now all you need to do is season it with salt and pepper to taste. So I like about 1/2 teaspoon, maybe 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and a sprinkle of pepper. And that, my friends, is all there is to making the creamiest and richest mashed cauliflower you'll ever have. For this easy keto side dish and so many more, please check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com.